So guys, magandang gabi. Ito na naman tayo kay Hamster Combat, ang ating daily combo. So guys, ito na first mapin natin. Pero yung pan natin sa PNR dito sa legal. So yung first natin license Indonesia, ito so ayan, medyo mabagal na naman yung ating internet. So ayan guys, so ayan guys, yung pangalawa so pangalawa natin wala. Hindi naman ito. So sa legal ito, anti-money laundering, and then next top 10 global ranking. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Team na yan. So good job achieving him. So guys, level lang na tayo, level 8. Thank you for watching guys.